Hello, class. Today I will be explaining none other than the 5 stages of a breakup by yours truly, Ricardo Magana. So the first stage is denial, where it usually happens off right after the breakup, and this stage really consists of shock more than anything. Shock, especially obviously if you didn't see it coming, and this is the stage where you still think they're coming back, and honestly it just feels like a dream, or more likely a nightmare. It's just something that you really can't prepare for unless you guys had talked about it beforehand. But usually it's just it just sneaks up on you and really just breaks your heart. The second stage is anger. Honestly, this is the just feeling resentment towards your partner, and you hate them for the rest of your life. Pretty much, that's how almost every breakup ends up becoming, where you just do not like your ex. You don't follow your ex. You don't even talk to them. If you see them on the street, you do anything and everything to avoid them. Why? Because they broke your heart, and it really is just justified, honestly. And the third stage is, of course, bargaining. This is where you swear you'll change for your partner. If you are talking to your partner directly, you'll, promise them things you've never promised them before, or you beg a higher power, such as God, or even the devil, if that's your forte. You just beg someone or something, any good you beg your God or your devil, honestly, another chance with your partner in exchange for whatever the higher power wants, in a way. If you worship God, then you would offer to go to elderly home and help out there, or pick up trash, or who knows, go to church more often. And for the devil worshippers, who knows, that is not my realm, but there are people out there that do that. They will sell your soul. You will sell your soul to get back with your partner. I would have done it for mine, but I didn't think about it. Anyway, stage 4 is depression. You have, which means you have come to terms with the breakup, and that they are actually not gonna come back. This is really the stage where you start to cry and feel sad, because stage 1, after a little while, you do cry, but stage 4 is where you start to just break it down, because they are not coming back, and you wait for a text from them, and it will never arrive, and you have to get used to that again. You have to start living how you used to live without them before they existed in your life. And honestly, you guys should, anyone going through a breakup, or has gone through a breakup, they would always tell you to go out with friends or do an activity where just eases your mind. For me, that was playing, and I used to play a lot. But this was a stage that I struggled with the most, because it took me a while to get over my ex. And the final stage is acceptance. This is, even though you are sad, you essentially just go on with your life. And you move on. And this is a time where you think back about your relationship, your now past relationship, and just reflect about how it was, how they treated you, and if it was actually even worth bargaining your soul for. And a quote I want to end this on is, you not wanting me was the beginning of wanting myself. Thank you so much for tuning in, and can't wait to hear your feedback on all of this.